There were companions of the Prophet ﷺ who physically had difficulties and struggles. That they might not have been the smartest people in the room, or maybe the most knowledgeable of people. They didn't have a lot of money and other assets and things. But the one thing that they had was they had a solid relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today, their legend lives on. Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anhu did not command the respect of other people in that society at all, for any reason. Yet he had a relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that was unshakable, undeniable, irrefutable, indestructible. And the consequence of such a relationship with Allah was that the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, when he was on the journey of Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj, the journey by night to Jerusalem and the ascension above the heavens, when he was touring the heavens, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam heard footsteps. And he asked, what is this? What's this sound that I hear? And he was informed that these are the footsteps of Bilal. He is so beloved to Allah that when he walks on the earth, his footsteps echo in the heavens. That was the consequence of spirituality. That is the honor and the distinction that spirituality brought. It's something that cannot be compromised. It's something we have to take very seriously.